Here we are at NPE 2018 with the Toshiba machine EC250SX3 featuring our new V70 controller. This whole cell, we're looking at the smart factory cell. And what that means is total automation right from mold changing to traceability. First, we're using this Pascal mold changing device that will actually change the mold automatically between two different molds running similar material. Currently, we have the Phoenix Photo Technology School in there, we refer to as mold B, molding. Once that counter counts down, the mold will actually de-energize from the Pascal magnetic plates, decouple the water system, and the mold will then roll out onto the cart. The cart will then roll over to the A zone. When everything is cleared, it automatically will put the reflector mold into the press. Magnetic plates will then lock. The automatic water coupling system will then come in, and production will begin. That signal will change the recipe or the mold setups, so we are actually changing them between molds. The A mold is actually a 3.3 ounce, where the B mold is actually only 1.5 ounces of ABS. Once the product then comes out on the Toshiba robotics, 6-arm robotic arm, it will come over to a CAN's laser marker. In that marker system, we will actually engrave on the back of the part a QR code. Within that QR code will be the setup data from the press as well as its actual run data. And that's going to go on to each individual part. It's an 8-cavity tool, so each part or each shot will get a unique QR code. And again, with great traceability. So in the future, somebody can simply hand scan that QR code and you will see the actual process data, not just a date and time, but the cavity pressure, water temperature, all the critical process data for perfect traceability.